Today, we show you how to make a tasty keto omelette with courgette and feta cheese. First, slice half a courgette. This recipe serves one person. To adjust the servings, visit the recipe page linked in the description. Arrange the courgette slices on a tray. Season with salt and oil, and roast them in the oven. Now it's the kale's turn. Let's season it again with salt and oil. And let's crisp it in the oven. For the omelette, crack 2 eggs, add chives, parsley, nutmeg, chilies, garlic powder, and whisk. Now add some oil to a skillet. Pour in the beaten eggs and cook over medium heat to your liking. You should be able to easily flip the omelette with a spatula. It's time to assemble the ingredients. Start by layering the courgette. Then add the kale and crumble some feta cheese over it. Leave half of the omelette empty and fold it over the toppings. Garnish with some parsley and feta. You can serve with HARISSA sauce if you like it. Use any excess crispy kale and feta as a side salad. Et voila! Hi there! Thanks for watching this to the end. If you like what you saw, please help us grow our channel by following us and by liking and sharing the video. Thank you and have a great day!